Let's look at exercise for whisk and chasse from promenade position. Whisk is similar to close change, therefore we start with left foot close change, right foot close change, and left foot close change, but we do another ending with cross and finish in promenade position, then forward, side, close, side, which is chasse. Again, left foot close change, right foot close change, and now whisk and forward, side, close, side, which is chasse from promenade position. Let's look at whisk. Man goes forward, lady backwards, both to side. Now we cross and turn to promenade, and we repeat this action to make precise movement. Then we lower and go forward, side, close, side. And now let's look at exercise for chasse from promenade. We start in promenade position forward, side, close, side. Lady achieves closed position, side, close, side. Again promenade position, side, close, side. Again close position, side, close, side, promenade. Notice that lady turns also head from right to left. And now let's learn hesitation change, reverse turn and whisk, and then chasse from promenade position. Hesitation change, we dance first 3 steps of natural turn, then second 3 steps of natural turn, but we don't rise and we close foot without weight. So next figure will be with the same foot for man, left foot, for lady, right foot. And then we transfer weight, and this is beginning of next figure. Let's look again at hesitation change. We start with first 3 steps of natural turn, then we continue natural turn, but we close feet without weight, and then we continue, of course, next figure with the same foot, which is left foot for man and right foot for lady. Let's pay attention to man's footwork. Heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel. We draw heel, then inside edge of foot, then whole foot, and inside edge of toe, left foot. Let's look again. Man starts with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, heel, inside edge of foot, whole foot, and inside edge of toe, left foot. Then we continue with reverse turn, and now whisk and chasse from promenade position. Let's look again. We do reverse turn ending, whisk, and chasse from promenade position. Now let's look at routine, steps 1 to 3 of natural turn, then back, whisk and chasse from promenade position. We dance first 3 steps of natural turn, and then we continue natural turn, but we change ending, we rise and then we turn and cross feet behind and we open promenade position. And then lower. Let's look again. We start again with first 3 steps of natural turn. Then we continue natural turn, but we cross feet and we open promenade, and this is called back whisk. And we repeat action for exercise. Now we dance first 3 steps of natural turn, and now we add more turn in back whisk, finishing to move in new line of dance. Let's look again. We dance first 3 steps of natural turn, moving diagonally to wall, and then we turn more to right to finish ready to move in new line of dance. And now let's learn routine with natural spin turn, steps 4 to 6 of reverse turn, then whisk and chasse. We start with 3 steps of natural turn, and then a rock exercise, a rock, and a rock. And this is exercise for natural spin turn. Now we will add turn in rocks. So we do first 3 steps of natural turn, and we do a rock and turn, lady brush, and we finish spin turn. Let's look again. From opposite direction, exercise for spin turn. Natural turn 3 steps, a rock, And now when we add the turn in rocks, it becomes natural spin turn. 1, 2, 3, and we turn half a turn, and we continue turn and finish backing diagonally to center for man. So we start with 3 steps of natural turn, we continue with spin turn ending, then 4 to 6 of reverse turn. Now we dance whisk and chasse from promenade position. Let's look again. This time with teaching count. 3 steps of natural turn, 1, 2, 3, spin, 1, 2, 3, reverse turn, 1, 2, 3, whisk, 1, 2, 3, and chasse, 1, 2, and 3. We hope you enjoyed this basic waltz video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.